Hello everyone, welcome back to our AutoCAD tutorial series. I am your online trainer Khalid Mahmud. In today's video, we will explain exercise 40 step by step in AutoCAD. If you are a beginner or intermediate learner, so don't worry. I will explain everything in a simple word so you can follow along very easily. And also you can download the PDF file from the description box for your practice purposes. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the drawing. So open your AutoCAD and create a new drawing. Set the unit by typing units command. Press enter. Choose as a millimeter. Press OK. Set the limits and grids. Turn on ortho mode to draw a straight line very easily. Now step 2. Creating the base circle. As you see in this diagram, this one is our base circle, this dotted circle. Diameter it will be 69. So use circle command and draw the main circle as a diameter 69. So C for circle, click on specific point, D for diameter 69, press enter. Draw the smaller circle of diameter 16 mm evenly spaced. So use C for circle command, click on here, put a diameter using D, enter, 16, press enter. Now create inside circle as a secondary circle, diameter 6. So use C for circle, click on same center point, D for diameter 6, press enter. Use array command if needed to place them very correctly. So select these circles, use ARRAY array polar, press enter. Click on this larger circle center point and put a value as item 6. Press close. Now step 3. Creating the outer shape. As you see in this diagram, this one is our outer shape. Okay. So use fillet command to create a rounded corner with radius 20 mm. So use F for fillet, R for radius, value as a 20, M for multiple. Select this circle to this circle. Again select this circle to this circle and this circle to this circle. Now need to add this line and this line. So use L for line command, first from here to here. Using OS for OSnap setting and deselect all, can you clear all? Choose only as a tangent point. Select OK. Now use L for line, click on this circle to this circle. As same as click on this circle to this circle. Now again you S for OSnap setting and select all. Press OK. Now step 4. Adding the slot in the center. As you see in this diagram, we are going to create these slots. So just using circle command. So use C for circle, click on the center point and put a radius 10. Press enter. Again C for circle, click on same center point, put a radius 8, enter. Now select this circle, activate ortho, CO for copy, downside it will be 20, press enter. Now need to add this circle with line. So use L for line command from here to here, same as this side, also from here to here. Okay, now need to trim unwanted part of this drawing. So use TR, enter, T for cutting edge. Select these both line, press enter, trim these circles and also these circles. Now need to trim this one. So just zoom in and trim this one. Also this one and this one. Now Now need to trim also this one. After trim, we need to add these curves in this drawing. So you can use fillet command, apply fillet as a radius 20. So F for fillet, R for radius, 20, enter. Select this line to this circle, as same as this line to this circle. Now next, select this circle, outer circle, go to properties, change a line type as a center line and color will be red. Select all your diagram except this center circle, go to properties and check a line type as a 0.30. Now step 5, adding the dimensions. So use DDI for dimension diameter, select this circle and click it here. As same as for this one and also for this one and this one. If you need to put as a radius, so use DRA for dimension radius, select this one and also this one and also this one. Okay, after add your dimension, your drawing look like that. So make sure all dimensions are clear and readable. Now step 6, final touch and export your drawing. So double check all the dimension for your accuracy. Use layer to protect your color and line type. Save your file using save command and put it a name of your file. Export a PDF version for your reference. So that's it. You have successfully completed exercise 40 in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. Also join our channel to support us to get exclusive content. If you have any question, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help you. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing, keep shining. Tata, bye bye, take care.